What's up guys, so first of all, I'm sorry because I'm little late for this video. But the Huawei Mate 50 series is not late anymore, but the smartphone is releasing on the 6th of September, which is like 8 days from now, and honestly the smartphone will have tons of new features which we haven't seen before anyway. For that we have to wait, but we don't need to wait to have a look at some more authentic look of the Huawei's Mate 50 series. So a well-known leakster on Twitter has assembled past leaks and rumors into the new Mate 50 Pure windows that basically shows us the display camera and color variants. And yeah, thanks to the concept creator for keeping the enthusiasm up and bringing these renders for the Huawei fans. The link of his Twitter handle will be in the description box below. Anyway, here it is. The Huawei Mate 50 Pro in Windows features a curved edge display exactly like the waterfall display on the left and right sides of the screen. However, the creator has featured the head with a notch because the notch is the reality that we'll witness at the launch date. But mark my verse guys, the notch will not be as much wide as the Huawei's Mate 30 Pro, but it will be quite similar to the Huawei's Mate 20 Pro, which looks quite decent. And that notch will come with new facial recognition technologies as well as posture detection. Also, it may take place for a better firm-facing camera. Moving on, the concept creator has rendered this new device into 5 colors: olive green, white, silver, and gold, and black. And this olive green is the new one, but I would say all of these colors looks absolutely gorgeous. Furthermore, the renders take us closer to the camera system of the Mate 50 Pro, which basically consists of a quad camera system and XMH camera branding that resides in vertically, excluding Leica. Anyway, there's a lot more to know about the Huawei's Mate 50 series in the coming weeks, so stay tuned and hit the subscribe button to get notified for the next video. So what do you think about this full look of the smartphone? Let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, bye.